In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear DeepSeek AI chat history. So there's actually a few ways of doing this. If you just want to clear the history of what you were talking about in here inside the conversation and you would like the chatbot to forget everything, you can just type in clear chat history. And just like this, if I now press enter, as you can see, it's gonna say, got it, chat history is cleared, what's on your mind? That's the first way. But if you wanted to actually clear these over here, so these chats I have over here on the left, you can just hover over each and single one of them, hover over it, click those three dots, and then click delete. After that, confirm by clicking delete again, and that chat was deleted. If you want to clear all the chats over here, so if you have, let's say, many chats over here on the left, let's say you have like 100 or something, and you want to delete all at once, go to my profile down left, and then you want to click delete all chats, and over here you can see what it says, and then you can press confirm deletion, and just like that, all your chats will be cleared or deleted. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.